Yan, Home Depot, Garden Time. It's time to go for a garden. Kailangan nagagarden tayo. Kapag may tiranim, may ani. Correspondent Gio from Philippine News, Texas. Kapag may tiranim, may ahanihin yan. Magtanim po tayo. Yan. Please like, subscribe my YouTube channel, Gio Massage Services. Thank you, God bless us. Home Depot, Gardening Time. Yan. Nagagarden ako. Garden Time. Buhay Amerika. Nakablakad pag may time. Roses. Ganda. Gagarden ako.